today I'm going to show you how to make pizza with no oven. I have green bell pepper, red bell pepper, garlic, yellow bell pepper, and red onions and mozzarella cheese. I also have chicken strips which I'll cut into finer pieces. So this is everything that I need for the toppings. We'll go ahead and grate the mozzarella cheese because it has to be fine. And this is how it will look at the end. So we go to the dough. You'll need flour, sugar, yeast, cardamom, and salt. And this is the bowl where I'll mix everything, and some water, warm water. So I'll go ahead and put everything in my bowl. Start with the flour, a pinch of salt, then 1 teaspoon of yeast, the sugar, 2 teaspoons, and finally some cardamom, a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon, that's fine. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything up, and I'll make my dough. So this is how it should look. We are just going to let it sit for between 30 minutes to 1 hour for it to rise. So 45 minutes later, this is how it should look like. It has increased in size, which means it's ready. So I'll go ahead and use some oil on my pan. This is to make sure that your dough does not stick on your pan. So just put some oil on your pan like this and spread it everywhere. Then next we work on the dough now. It's time to roll it. So we roll our dough nicely. Make sure it's wide enough, but you don't really have to make it into a perfect circle because we can easily reshape it once it's on the cooking pan into the shape that you desire. So we transfer it now, and there it is, perfect. So the next step is the toppings. I started with the tomato sauce. You can also use tomato paste, and the rest of the toppings you put in whichever order you please, as long as they are evenly distributed in the pizza, and the cheese should come last. So once you have everything on your pizza, sprinkle your cheese generously on the top. And this is how it should look at the end. This is ready for the next step, which is cooking. Meanwhile, our cooking pot is already on the jiko with sand in it, which we preheat for a short time. Once the sand is hot enough, you put your pizza inside and cover it. Let it cook for around 20 minutes. And here is our end product.